Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad geometry problem. And here we have a nice triangle in which the other angles are 30 and 60, and we are given that the parameter of this triangle is 48 and we find the area of this right triangle. Okay, so here you focus on the angles of this triangle. So the one angle of this triangle is 30 degree, and the other angle is 60 degree, and the third angle is 90 degree. So it means that this triangle is the 30 60 90 triangle. So we know about this type of triangle. So here you see that the smallest angle of this triangle is 30, so that the side opposite to the smallest angle is called the smallest side. It means that this side is the smallest side, and the greatest angle is 90, so the side opposite to the greatest angle is called the largest side. So this side is the largest side, this side is the smallest side. So in 30 60 90 triangle, we know that the sum of the smallest side is equals to 2 times of its largest side. Okay, it means that if we have the length of the smallest side is 1, then our largest side is 2 times of smallest side. It means that if smallest side is 1, then our largest side is 2, because 2 times of 1 is 2. So we easily find the side length of third. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. Then you easily say that the side length of the third side is square root of 3. Okay, so now if we just suppose that the smallest side length is x, then according to the definition of 30 60 90 triangle, we call the largest side is equals to 2x, and this side length is equals to x into square root of 3. So these are the three sides of the given triangle. So here we are also given that the parameter of this triangle is 48. So we know about the definition of parameter. So the parameter is the length of sum of all the length of three sides of the given triangle. So here we use this definition of parameter, and we know that here we are given that parameter is equals to 48. So parameter is the length of all sum of all three sides. So here you have the one side length is x, the second side length is 2x, and third side length is x into square root of 3. So we add these three side lengths, and we are given that x plus 2x plus x into square root of 3 is equals to 48. So according to this given information, we are easily find the value of x in this triangle. Okay, so here we add this x plus 2x is equals to 3x plus this is x into square root of 3 is equals to 48. So here we take common x from both of these terms, and after that we get 3 plus square root of 3 is equals to 48. And now we move this 3 plus square root of 3 to the right hand side, so that it is written as x is equals to 48 divided by 3 plus square root of 3. So now in the next step we rationalize this term, and we write our x in the simplest form. So if we rationalize this, it means that we take the conjugate of the denominator and we multiply and divide it by here. So when we multiply and divide it by here, it is written as 3 minus square root of 3. So after that here we multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we get here 48 into 3 minus square root of 3, and it is divided by, here you have 3 plus square root of 3 into 3 minus square root of 3. So here we use the nice square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice formula to the denominator of this term. So this is our a plus b and a minus b. So when we use the formula, it is written as x is equals to 48 into 3 minus square root of 3 divided by, this is 3 square minus square root of 3 and its whole square. So this 3 and 3 are cancelled by each other, and here we just get here 48 into 3 minus square root of 3, and it is divided by, this is 3 square is equals to 9 minus 3, and here we just obtain 48 into 3 minus square root of 3, and it is divided by 6. So here we cancelled these terms, so we know that 6 8 is 48. So here you finally get the value of x is 8 times of we write it here, 8 times of 3 minus square root of 3. So that here we get our x is equals to 8 into 3 minus square root of 3. So after that, because in this question our target is to find the area of the given triangle, so in order to find the area, we know about the formula of area of triangle. Okay, so the formula of the area is written as 1 over 2 times of base multiplied by height of the given triangle. So if you focus on the given triangle, so this is our given triangle in which our base is this is x into square root of 3, and our height is x. Okay, so we substitute the base and height in the formula of the area. So here we have 1 over 2 times of base, so our base is x into square root of 3, and our height is x only. So that here we multiply these two values, and it is written as square root of 3 and divided by 2. So this x times of x becomes here x square. So now we substitute the value of x here. We know that our x is equals to 8 into 3 minus square root of 3. We substitute this value here, and it is written as in this form, square root of 3 into 8 into 3 minus square root of 3 and its whole square, and it is divided by 2. So here we need some simplifications, and we write it as, we know that the square root of 8 is equals to 64 into square root of 3, and here we have 3 minus square root of 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we cancel these terms, so this 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So that here we finally get the area of the triangle is 32 into square root of 3 and 3 minus square root of 3 and its whole square. So here you just more simplify this equation, and here we just open the square of this term, and you get the simplified answer of this question. So I hope so this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.